A few years ago on this channel, I built this wok station out of an IKEA table. As you can see, I haven't really used it too much, but it is showing some signs of age. That's why somewhere in that time, I know that Cuisinart, I don't know how you pronounce it, came out of a wok station. This is now discontinued. I don't know how long it was in production for. I was recently waiting for a sale for the Memorial Day holiday, which never happened. Worse, on the website, this changed to discontinued earlier this week. This has been out of stock on Amazon for a while now. It's no longer in stock at Lowe's. Home Depot has it. They have about 30 when I ordered it. I was not sure if that was inaccurate. Some other sites like Macy's have it, Crate and Barrel, but they ship directly from vendor. Not sure if that's still going to happen because it is discontinued. I don't know how much stock is left. At the moment, I think there's still 28 in stock. Not sure what will happen after those are all gone. Sometimes I know Home Depot will have batches of stock come in. My hunch is after those are gone, it might be gone for good. If you are thinking about picking this up, might as well do it now. Maybe you could wait a little bit to see if they go on sale. Maybe some retailers will want to clear this out quickly if you're willing to wait. Just trying to help someone out. As always, there's someone out there trying to take advantage of the situation. It's kind of funny. I actually tried posting this on Slick Deals as well, which is probably not the best place. What I paid for this is not a deal at all, but sometimes, in my opinion, just being able to pick it up instead of having to go through a reseller later on is a win in itself. Due to the age of this product, there's already countless videos out there showing you how to assemble this, how to use it. I'm not going to go through that here. This is purely a public service announcement for anyone who wants to grab one of these before it's too late. Also, I know I haven't been posting a lot recently, just been very busy with life. Had to take a break from social media. It just happens sometimes. Hope all my subscribers are doing well. Stay safe, and hopefully I will see you all again shortly.